The Bbox Pro-Tuned 10-inch subwoofer box is expertly designed to enhance bass response and low-frequency reproduction, making it perfect for those seeking improved sound quality in their vehicle. Constructed with high-grade, medium-density fiberboard, this enclosure provides a solid frequency response and precise music reproduction, ensuring a superior listening experience. The use of specially formulated aliphatic wood glue ensures an airtight seal between all parts, preventing any unwanted rattles and maintaining the integrity of the sound. Each subwoofer box is meticulously assembled with additional glue applied to internal joints, enhancing durability and providing a noise-free environment. The enclosure features airtight recessed side panels, which further contribute to the no-leak, no-rattle air chamber, thereby improving overall sound quality. Careful consideration of dimensions is evident, with the subwoofer box designed to fit seamlessly into the boot of most vehicles without compromising on space.